first day though. That was cool.
Hey, read this too. Yeah. What?
I'm going to 20% battery left.
Cool. I have 30.
What?
I have 30%.
Bad.
Oh, that's cool.
That was
I
cool.
liked it. That was a good one.
It's all yours now.
I liked it.
That was
I guess
cool.
me and my brother will share it.
And Roger.
I will be on all of that. That's why I'm not. I'm back.
Let's go to the bathroom again. Let's say we're good.
What?
What?
Okay.
Stop fighting for the rest of the day.
Right here. It's back now. Here we go. I love that feeling so much. That's not in the grand
That's
finale.
some messed up stuff.
That can't be. Don't get that pounding feeling.
Yeah, I know.
The last year was the one to see myself.
Oh, right here.